Hi there everyone, my name is Airwave, welcome back to my channels. This video is all about Logic users. I've got something for you today, a quick tip, especially for you guys because I'm not sure you can do that anywhere else, but I may be wrong. I haven't found this tip anywhere else on the internet either, so it's a bit of an exclusive one, but it's actually, basically it's really simple. For those on the hunt for glitchy, clicky loops and who don't have them, you tend buying, sample libraries and everything. Well, most of the time you just need Logic and a few Apple loops or even your loops here. I'm going to show you here an example with one of my loops. Let's take a techno loop just for sounds like a perfect candidate for me. So what I'm gonna do here is just import it here, drag it into Logic, if Logic wants me to. Don't import. It's gonna be a bit, yeah. What's going on here? There it is. And the thing is, you see it's an Apple loop, but I'm gonna ignore that for now. And I just enable flex time, put it to slicing mode, double check the track here, the file, that the markers are, no, it's not good at all. That sometimes happens and you don't know why, but most of the time, you just need a few of them anyway. Just want to make sure that everything is all right here. And say we're gonna just take the first bar, for example. This is just an example here, so it doesn't matter that much after all. So we cut it. It's not what I want. There it is. So definitely not a clicky ambient loop at 100 BPM. But this is what you're looking for. Look at this checkbox here, fill gaps. You uncheck it. You change decay to minimum, and the slice length, you put it to minimum as well. Listen now. Oh wait, I have to crank it up a little bit. Can you hear it? Nice, isn't it? And then you just add a little bit of length just for the weight of the percussive elements to come up. And you can eventually quantize it. So just make sure that everything is. And just add a reverb here. Whoa, not this kind of reverb, of course, but. You see the problem here? I have to edit it here. And here it is, perfectly on time. Now you can lower the volume because it's saturating here. And you can also transpose it up to like 36 or 19. And there you go. Instead of spending hundreds on sample CDs of that kind, you just do this into Logic. And it works with any single loop. You can even go here into the Apple loops. Let's take something really not necessarily percussive, it could be anything. Like this one, for example. Let's take it, drag it. There we go. Then we ignore this one and that guy too here. Here we go. And we do this. Listen to it. Oh yeah, baby. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.